You guys ready to see the Hulk get smashed? Stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back to Sergeant Digital Design. This week I have General Thaddeus Thunderbolt Ross, the father of Betty Ross and the arch nemesis of Bruce Banner, the Incredible Hulk. Throughout the years in the series, he persistently hunted the Hulk, and even though he had a romantic relationship with his daughter, he still wanted to hunt this guy down, get his powers, and have his own to harness. This model of him, it was created by Wicked 3D. You know, them my guys. I love Gabriel and them over there. They do some of the best work, and some of the best work that I've been able to paint. I printed this close to 2 years ago. I originally printed the green one. He's back there somewhere. But I originally printed this one before the green one. I bought my anycubic photon M3 Max to be able to print something like this. So he was the first successful print after some tweaking. And when I got the bug of printing big models like this, I had to go bigger. So I printed the big green one. But I still had this one in the background, waiting in the bin to be painted. Not because I wasn't enthusiastic about it, but just other things came up. But here we are here now, and I'm a better painter since I started painting this guy. So hey, we good. All right, so I decided to take it outside and do some primer on the base, and I also primed the body out there, and took it back inside and did the rest primer with my purple primer, but I kind of mixed it down a little bit because I didn't have to be so good. I had a little pink to it because this color's gonna be red, so add a little pink to it, and see if that will make it pop even better. So I just get full coverage of this purple for his base. He is primed in gray, but I like this. Now I'm gonna give him a flesh tone like a normal human being. I'm gonna go and do highlights, the low lights that are purple. So I even do the mid-tones also. Now I'm going with my base red, and I'm just outlining where the highlights are. so that they still shine through. That way I got natural highlights. I don't have to do as much when I come back and paint the rest. Now I add some magenta to the paint, and I hit his creases and all the folds that show his striations. I try to make sure I get in between those toes too, because it's dark area between those toes. Now I'll go back in and I'm doing highlights again with the same base color that I started with the underskin. That kind of blends both the red and the under skin together. Now I'll take the same colors I did the mid-tone with, and I'll dry brush. I didn't want it to be too light, so I dry brush with the mid-tone. And that's the mid-tone from my underskin. Alright, now it's time to get them veined up. So I took some purple and blue, and just taking my harder and steam back fine detail airbrush, and I'm just going all his veins. Now I'm going in and I'm doing a yellow wash, and then I'll follow that with the red to bring the back, and then in blue. I skipped the red because it's kind of boring putting red on red. But no, here's the blue. Now, I made the base for his eyes a little thick because well, they're not too thick for the eyes, but they work for the teeth. So I went back in and masked and airbrushed it. Then later on, I went and took my airbrush and I put some yellow, Createx yellow in there, and then I airbrushed his eyes, and then I also hit his skin tone after all this. I don't think I recorded it, but I hit the skin with some yellow. Some big ass teeth. Yeah. All right, now we're on the final stretch. I'm taking care of the base. I'm just doing a black for the rocks, and now I'm going dry brush and some accent colors. I hit the actual base part of it with that camouflage green you see there. Because I was just going for like a military look. Bruce Banner is not in the military, but Thunderbolt Ross is. He's a general in the army, so I just thought it was fitting. And you can see the pants. I painted the pants with a brush. Then I went back in with my airbrush to do the low lights there and the highlights. And now I'm just dry brushing. Then I go back in. I took some watered down black and green. Without further ado, here are the final results. I painted the red skin with a combination of my colors from Wicked Paint, not the 3D company, but the paint company, Vallejo, Citadel, Army Painter, and Pro Acryl. For his pants, I went with the olive drab pant color, so I can make it seem like that's from his army uniform, because you know he's a general in the army, and I just wanted to give that army effect. Also with the base, I printed the base with a military style instead of the aluminum or steel base that I normally paint Wicked's bases with, and it turned out pretty good. Hope you guys like this. I really do, and I only worked on them for 3 days total. The first day I went, sanding them down and got them primed up. And then yesterday I started painting them, and then this morning and this afternoon I finished them up. So 3 days total for something this big is a pretty good feat. I'd like to say so. Some guys paint faster, but I mean, it might look a mess or it might be Picasso. You never know. But this is fast for me. I apologize for not being able to post many videos this month, because I've been getting ready for Comic-Con, and I also bought a mobile barbershop. So I bought a trailer to tow behind my Jeep. That's the reason why I bought the Jeep, so I can use it for work, and tow my toys to events like Comic-Con. Then also I wanted to be able to use it for camping and things like that, for when I need it for personal use. But I'd like to thank all my subscribers, my new subscribers that are coming. If you haven't yet, please hit the like button, hit the bell notification, and also if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more to offer down the line. Stay tuned, because I have some sweet stuff that's coming that I didn't expect to paint, but because of some of my clients that have been buying things from me that I wasn't really into, but I am now. So stay tuned for that, and I'll show you what I got. I got some good stuff coming. All right, not to keep rambling on, because I did write a script, but I went off script. Hey, sometimes it gets real. All right, but thank you once again for coming to my channel and visiting and watching my content. And I promise you I'll keep more fresh content coming soon. All right, and till next time, my friends, Sarge out.